Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making another budget-friendly recipe. And I try to usually make all of my recipes under $20 and budget-friendly. I try to stay around $10 to $15 most of the time. But anyway, I'm making Velveeta taco mac and cheese today. And the ingredients is hamburger meat, Velveeta cheese, salsa, chili powder, elbow macaroni, and water. So you can see this is a simple recipe, and it's going to be very good because it looked good. And so let me get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting my hamburger meat in my frying pan. And I'm going to give my hands a quick rinse before I start messing with that masher. Brown my hamburger meat. And like I say, this is going to be another easy recipe, and probably the hardest part is smashing up the hamburger meat. This hamburger meat is coming along, and when it gets completely brown, I'll drain it and then add the rest of my ingredients. My hamburger meat, it's browned good now, and so I'm going to get it drained and add it to my boiler. Okay, so I'm just going to add my hamburger meat into my boiler. I think there's more water in this hamburger meat than there is grease. I have my hamburger meat drained, and so now I'm going to be adding my water, which is 2 3/4 cups. The next thing I'm going to be doing is adding 1/3 cup of salsa. And then I'm going to be adding 1 1/2 teaspoons of chili powder. Let's stir all that up. And then I'm going to be adding 2 pounds of, 1 pound of elbow macaroni. I'm going to be cooking this on medium heat till it comes to a boil, and then I'm going to simmer it on low for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, my Velveeta taco mac and cheese is coming to a boil, so I'm going to turn it down and let it cook approximately 8 to 10 minutes with a lid on it until most of the water is absorbed. Okay, the noodles are done. going to add my Velveeta cheese, and I'm going to let this cook for approximately 5 minutes to 8 minutes till it melts.
I don't think it'll take that long to melt.
Just until it melts. Okay, the Velveeta cheese is almost melted, and when it completely melts, I'm going to serve us up a plate. It's done, so I'm going to put some in a plate. This is what me and Kevin is having for lunch. You want more, Kevin?
I don't, that's plenty, that's too much.
Okay, I'm going to put a little of this up at the top of it. A little taco sauce. I mean, salsa. You could probably put taco sauce on it too. Okay. A little green onion. Okay.
That looks real good, Marie.
Okay. Thank you, Kevin. It smells good. Let's see if it is good. It's pretty good. The only thing I would do different is add a little salt. Other than that, I'll be making this again. So, do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here